Alec Baldwin pays tribute to wife lawyer after Rust lawsuit dismissed. Alec Baldwin paid tribute to his wife and lawyer after the case over the fatal shooting of cinematographer Halyna Hutchins was dismissed. The Hollywood actor posted a photo of himself and his wife Hilaria Baldwin online. Shortly after, his lawyers released a statement on Thursday saying the case had been dismissed. Hilaria later posted a photo with a simple heart emoji, showing her and her husband in an embrace. Baldwin had faced 2 counts of involuntary manslaughter over the shooting on the New Mexico set of the Rust movie in October 2021. The incident occurred after a prop gun held by Baldwin went off, killing Ms. Hutchins and injuring director Joel Souza. The actor previously pleaded not guilty to both charges of involuntary manslaughter. He captioned his Instagram post, "I owe everything I have to this woman, and to you, Luke." The Hollywood actor has been defended by lawyers Luke Nickus and Alex Spiro throughout proceedings. In a statement shared with the PA news agency, Mr. Nickus and Mr. Spiro said they were pleased with the decision and encouraged a proper investigation into the tragic incident. "We are pleased with the decision to dismiss the case against Alec Baldwin, and we encourage a proper investigation into the facts and circumstances of this tragic accident," the statement read. The Santa Fe District Attorney's Office has been approached for comment regarding the case's dismissal. The announcement comes less than 2 weeks before a preliminary hearing in the case in Santa Fe, New Mexico, where it was to be determined whether there was enough evidence to take it to trial. Santa Fe District Attorney Mary Carmack Altwiz and a special prosecutor, Andrea Reed, had previously stepped down from the case. Their decisions came after much back and forth between the two sides, with Baldwin's lawyers arguing that Ms. Reed's involvement was unconstitutional due to her elected position in the New Mexico House of Representatives. In turn, the DA's office had accused Baldwin of using his fancy attorneys to distract from the gross negligence in the case. The actor was formally charged with 2 counts of involuntary manslaughter by the DA in February, alongside the film's Halyna Gutierrez Reed. The first charge required proof of underlying negligence and included the misdemeanor charge of negligent use of a firearm. The second charge included a firearm enhancement, which would have made the crime punishable by a mandatory 5 years in jail. The enhancement was later dropped by the DA after Baldwin's lawyers argued that it was unlawful, and said prosecutors had committed an unconstitutional and elementary legal error. In the statement of probable cause, filed alongside the charges, the DA accused Baldwin of showing willful disregard for the safety of others in the days leading up to the shooting. His reckless deviation from known standards and practice and protocol directly caused Ms. Hutchins' death, the DA had alleged. Baldwin also faces a separate civil lawsuit, filed on the 9th of February by the family of Ms. Hutchins. The family is suing the actor and the Rust movie production company for alleged battery, intentional infliction of emotional distress, negligence, and loss of consortium. Loss of consortium is a claim which seeks to recover compensation for damage to certain relationships that are mutually dependent. Thursday's development coincided with the resumption of production on the movie, which has begun again in the U.S. state of Montana. Legal representatives for Rust movie productions stress that all use of working weapons or ammunition is, and always has been, prohibited on set.